Hello friends, welcome to Laptop Repair Zone. Today I will show you how to fix Dell Inspiron 3521 laptop. It's turning on but no display. As you can see, I turning on this laptop but no ampere is taking. So let's try to fix it.
Please subscribe. Press the bell icon.
Motherboard number is LA9104P. So let's find out why this motherboard is not taking any ampere or why this motherboard is no display. So I will show you how to I check step by step and find out the problem and fix the problem. So I connect AC adapter and press the power button, turning on this laptop. As you can see, it's still not taking any ampere. So let's check step by step. So at first I will check B plus 19 volt is okay or not. As you can see, 19 volt is okay. Next, 5 volt and 3 volt always voltage. This is 5 volt always is present. This is 3 volt always also present. So next, plus 3 Vs and plus 5 Vs and plus 3 V underscore PCH. As you can see, this is plus 3 Vs not present, plus 5 Vs also not present, plus 3 V underscore PCH also missing. Those all voltage will be generated after press the power button. So when we press the power button and turning on this laptop, then those all voltage will be available there. So let's check the gate voltage is present or not. Okay, as you can see, gate also 0. This gate also 0. So let's open the schematic for this motherboard and find the QZ7 in schematic diagram. As you can see, I open the schematic and find QZ7 in schematic diagram. As you can see, this is a N channel MOSFET and this is the gate voltage signal. This gate voltage goes to this MOSFET through this 2 resistor. This 2 resistor, as you can see here, should be 19 volt is present. 19 volt reduced to 1.9 volt. Okay, something wrong is here. So I need to find this voltage comes from where. So let's find. Okay, we find it. This is PQ902. It's a P channel MOSFET. So the source voltage is B plus and drain voltage is B plus underscore BIAS. So let's find out this parts to this motherboard. As you can see here, we find it PQ902. So let's find the source voltage B plus is okay or not. Okay, B plus 19 volt is present. Let's check the drain voltage. Drain is 1.9. So gate also 1.9. So as you can see here, this part is burnout. So we find the problem. Now it's time to fix this motherboard. So there is two way you can fix this problem. If you have this p channel MOSFET, so you can replace and fix the problem. If you don't have this p channel MOSFET, then you can short with jumper wire between source and drain. So right now here not available these parts. I don't have also any donor board, so that's why I will short this source to drain. So first I need to remove these parts from this motherboard. Okay, I remove these parts. Now I will make a jumper between source and drain. It's very simple and easy way. Okay, it's almost done. As you can see, this is very simple way. So I short between source and drain. Now let's check the problem solved or not. Okay, now 19 volt is present. So let's check here. Okay, here also 19 volt is available now. Now let's press the power button and see what happened. So I press the power button, power light is glowing. As you can see, ampere also taken. So let's check this 3 MOSFET. Okay, now 3.3 Vs voltage is available. Here also available. So plus 3 volt underscore PCA is also available. So we successfully fix the problem. So now check display is okay or not. Okay, let's connect the LVDS cable to this motherboard. connect this adapter, press the power button, and it's turning on. Okay, display also okay. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.